How to adjust graphic settings in Rise of Kingdoms. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we are learning how to adjust your graphic setting in Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusades. First of all, open the Rise of Kingdom game on your device and make sure you are inside your city homepage. And once you're in, go ahead and tap on the Governor profile icon at the top left corner. From your Governor profile section, tap on Settings at the bottom right, and inside Settings menu, click on General Settings at the top. Under General Settings, scroll down and click on this Graphic Quality option. Click the drop down right next to it, and here you will see different options in the pop-up. If you want less lag and smoother marching during battles in your device, then you can tap on the medium option or the low option. You can also choose the battery saver option if you want to save battery by using lower graphics to save your energy on your device. If you want higher enhanced visuals, then you can go ahead and choose high or ultra option. So from here you can customize the graphic setting to your preference. So that is how you easily change your graphic setting in Rise of Kingdoms game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.